Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis. And live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's good, everybody? What's happening? I am back to do another live, baby. Let's get it. All right. Make sure. Sorry, it took me a while to get on today because, man, I thought I had got everything worked out with this Streamlabs nonsense, but it wasn't working. Then I had to go back to OBS, and sorry, guys, trying to do too many things at once. But I'm hoping it's working fine now. Hopefully the audio is good. But I'm gonna have to hope if someone can let me know in the chat the audio sounds fine, because I don't know if it's like duplicating or what. Somebody let me know if how the audio sounds, please. Because I don't know if these settings are good or what. Anyways, let's get into this pretty quickly here because it's 6:18 already. We got about 43 minutes before New York opens. So let's do quick top down. What's what upload? Banks back. Welcome. Yes, audio is working great. Awesome. All right, let's do this quickly, guys. Top down analysis weekly. Here we go. We're looking at gold. We got a nice little wick down here to the bottom. We have our support down here where it came and tested, rejected, pushed up to the top. We have this area of importance right here that we're looking to break. Okay, break that market structure, we can continue up and we can consider ourselves in a bullish trend, right? But this is a really key area that we're going to look at. That's on the weekly. Okay, what happened last week? We had a little indecision here, but it looks like this week it's already pushing up, trying to test these top highs. Okay, so let's look at the daily. Right, all right. So yesterday it was completely bullish, pushing up. We had a lot of consolidation these days and then push up. Okay, looks like we are currently bullish. We look at that right there, and then we have this area of resistance that is coming up. Okay, we got to pay attention to those. Okay, let's look at this right here. You know, I'm trying to look at to see if, I mean, really breaking here, we have some really nice range right there on the daily. But let's look at the 4 hour. Let's try to set up some support and resistance for us. See if we can figure out where we want to go with this thing. I want to pay attention to this bottom right here, and I want to pay attention to this top right here. And then I'm going to come down to the 1 hour to refine it a bit. I'm just paying attention to these areas because this is where my trading range is going to be. Right? But then I also want to come over here and pay attention to current range it's in. So there's a top right there and there's a bottom right there. If we break this bottom, we have a nice clean traffic down here at 150 pips. If we break this top over here, have this range about 70 pips right here. And then if we break that, we got this second target level up here, about 220 pips. Okay, so we want to pay attention to that there. First level here is down here, boom. Next level we see is down here, boom. And if we break that, have one more right there before this thing melts. There. So a couple of targets here, 1, 2, and 3. Essentially 416 pips. That's on the 1 hour here, but let's go down to the 30-minute. Down to the 30-minute, we see target right here. What is this range? 25 pips. That I'll take that. Definitely take that. We have that target right there. We have this target right there. Right there. To the top side here. We break above here. You know what? I'm gonna move this up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and set an alert here. Want it crossing up, bar close. And my targets are still good right here. Boom, boom. To the downside. Up, good. Set an alert, crossing down, bar close. Great. Okay. Alright, so we got it set up here. Now we just wait for that. I'm gonna go ahead and send the link here. Copy. Send the link in the chat, in the YouTube chat. Because it doesn't let me. What the hell? Oh my gosh. Copy link. Start. Okay. You guys can see that. All right. The link to the chart was sent in the YouTube chat. Now let's look at GJ. I was set up here the other day, or yesterday, I mean, last night. Let's look at the weekly top-down analysis, clean charts. You know how we do. All right, right away, I can tell you I'm looking at this right here. Pushing up, came, found support, pushed up, came back down, tested it, rejected, retested here. Now it's pushing back up again. So we have one confluence going up. We have another confluence showing support where we've technically had multiple tests. So at each one of these levels is pushed up. What does that tell me? Is that we're more than likely going to test the high levels, right? Which is here, right? Here. So this thing is going to go up, potentially test these highs, 1 level, 2 level, 3 levels before finding resistance to come down. I mean, it could come here and then it could reject down. That's what I see right now. So go ahead and delete that because that's on the weekly, right? It's on the weekly big high time frame. So daily. So overall we see it going up on the weekly. What do we see on the daily? Daily, similar stuff here. We have support down here at the bottom where doji pushed up. Looks like another doji here, bullish engulfing candle, pushing up, but looks like it's rejecting this little level of resistance on the daily. So it'd be interesting to see how this day is going to play out. Go to the 4 hour. Roma, what's good, brother? What's good, Steve? Wowza, welcome. Yes, I'm back. Almost missed it, man. This damn Streamlabs, like, it's just, I was trying to use Streamlabs to stream today and it was just giving me the worst of times. I had to go back to OBS and set up all my settings again and then go live. But anyways, let's keep it going. 4 hour. Let's mark up some levels of support and resistance that we see, right? So, and realistically, right here, I know we have some little levels here, but we're gonna trade within that, right? Let's go to the 1 hour to find this. Okay, that looks good. Go down to the 30-minute, find us some ranges, some trading ranges here. Okay, so from where price is right now, our low is right here, but we have a little level right here. That range is not going to be good enough. So if we break down here below this level, come down here, boom, 29 pip, first target. Bam, that's a range. Bam, that's a target. Bam, that's a target. Okay, now let's say we're going to the top. Where we at? Breaking resistance right here, boom. We have this nice clean range right here. Ooh, wrong one. Right here to right here, about 32 pips. Boom. That's a range. Take it, I'll take it. If we break that right there, we have the next range right here. Boom. Second target. About 57 pips. Right here, first target is about 30. Second target is about 43, 44. So that's a range right there. We'll go ahead and set our alerts on this. Crossing up, I want the bar to close on the 30-minute. Create alert. Crossing down, bar close, 30-minute. Boom. There we go, son. We're ready to rock and roll. Copy the link. Send it out to you guys in the chat. Boom. All right. So now we're set. We got our alerts set. We have our chart setups for GJ and gold. Those are the two pairs that I focus on. So now that we, I got a new camera too, by the way. I need to, I don't know if, actually, hang on a second, let me see if, I think that was missing. It's like my light, my my light for my face, so you guys can see me. Can you guys see me better, or is it more like really bright? I don't know if I can how to turn this down, but keep it rolling. Anyways, all right, so bright and shiny like an angel. Appreciate it. That's funny. What was I gonna say? Oh, I was looking at GJ. No, gold. I wanted to show you guys something. So yesterday, and I totally missed yesterday. Like, I completely overslept yesterday. That's what happened. But yesterday, the 23rd, if we would have traded, it would have been right here from 5:30. This candle to this candle. So it would have been this whole move right here. But if we to go back, like, and you know what, I'll go back on this one. We won't mess with that. Let's replay this thing out from, oh no, this is 4 hour. Get out of replay mode. Let's go to the 30-minute. You can see there it was right here. Okay. So replay to 5 in the morning yesterday. Okay. This would have been our chart. Okay, on the 30-minute, and we would have been looking at a range right here for this range, right? and we would have been looking at, I mean, literally here, the thing is this is really a lot of consolidation. So like, even if we placed our, you know, top range right here, you just have this little range, it's not worth it. The wick is not worth it. These little wicks is not worth it. Maybe this range up here. So you would have said, okay, I mean, the ideal thing would be just to put it above everything, clear all this little mess. But if you wanted to catch a move, I would have probably put it right here. You wouldn't have been focusing on this wick or these wicks, but this range right here. But you do have to keep in mind that those wicks could potentially cause some resistance, right? So you would have put a target right there, put a target right there, and then passing this target over here. I mean, you have this huge clear range right here. Boom. Okay. So your potential here would have been 31 pips first target, 50 pips second, and about 97, almost 100 for your third. Right? So let's play this out. This would have been here on the 30-minute yesterday. So would have been waiting. Boom. Okay. This cross closed. This was at 5:30 in the morning. 5:30 in the morning. You would have said, okay, we're broken. You would have came in here, set up a buy, put your stops below the previous wick, and you would have targeted 1, 2, and 3, right? Play it out. Boom. Target 1 would have been hit right away. Been playing around. Boom. Target 1 hit again. 2 and 3. So you would have hit 2 and 3 by 7:30, 8 a.m. And that's when the moves are happening. So you see, you got to pay attention to the times that the volume is giving you direction. So you see this from 6 to basically 8 is when this is happening. And why is it happening? Right now it's 6:30. So yesterday 6:30, we still had little low volume. But pre-New York comes in with the volume, especially on Monday, all the pending orders start getting submitted and you start seeing this volume. Okay. So like, if I'm not here live, guys, like you gotta learn this stuff for yourself, you know? Like, I mean, I might miss a live here and there, and you know, I do my best to be on here, but sometimes I got shit going on, sometimes I'm traveling, sometimes, you know, whatever the case may be. Like, this is a skill that I come on here and teach every single live, and I do it the same way every single live. So if you feel like you don't know yet, go back, watch some other lives, watch some of the old lives. What the hell? Sorry. Anyways, because, you know, this is as simple as that, you know. What I would have done right here, as soon as we hit our first target, I would have closed right here. You close 80% and adjust stop loss to break even. Okay, so right here, the first 30 pips, right? It would have been a 32 pips, right? 30 pips. At 30 pips, you would have already closed, taken your bag, adjusted your stop loss to break even. You might have closed out right here with the 20% runner, you know? If you would have held this thing, you would have gone all the way up to the third level. It all depends on your psychology and what you want to do, right? Because at the end of the day, like, you know, you want to take as much profit as you can, but you want to not risk any more risk than you need to, you know? Like, this is your original risk, and you could have left this. This is 25 pips you would have been risking, right? And what is this? A 3.72 risk to reward ratio. And this thing went literally right to the T, to the target, right? Let's see where it went after that. Sheesh. This thing kept going. It came back down. It came back down now. Right back up. So then as the day progresses here, like as soon as you get to like 10, 11 o'clock a.m., I mean, volume just goes out and it just starts consolidating, moving sideways. See that? Start moving sideways. And for the rest, like, I mean, we're talking about a span, what is this? 15 hours. For the next 15 hours, this thing is just basically moving within this price level and this price level. From 1800 to 1805. It's about 50 pips, but those 50 pips are going to be hard to catch your move. You know, you need buffer room. So I just wanted to show you guys this because like yesterday I saw that move after the fact, and you know, there's no reason why you guys shouldn't be able to catch it. Like what I do on here, I teach you guys constantly. In 2 seconds, you guys saw I put this range up, I put it in replay mode. We waited for the candle to break and close above. It broke and closed above. We took a buy, put our stops below the previous wick, and then wrote it up. It's that simple, guys. It's nothing hard about it. Nothing. Okay. We're coming back here. And really, like, I see these levels of resistance up here up top. And I know I put it up here because of the wicks over here. Yeah. This level right here. I like this range better than this range. But let's see what happens here, because what did we say on the weekly? Have downtrend, long uptrend. Could be wedging it out right here. Look at closer here, the support. Alright, I mean, I think it's just pushing up here for volume before it comes and tests this again, the trend line. So, y'all see. Y'all see, let's look at the news before we forget here. No news coming out today. Good. Euro news tomorrow, USD tomorrow, USD tomorrow. Thursday we got some news. Doesn't look like we got anything big today. Yeah, I mean, everything pretty easy going today. See what strength thing says. USD has low strength. AUD. We'll see what happens whenever New York opens. 50% are short on GJ. Maybe we should go long on GJ. Everyone's saying short. No. Remember, we play it either way. Play it either way. Got about 20 minutes here, 18 minutes and 30 seconds to be exact. For for the candle to close, for 30-minute candle to close, and then it'll be 7 a.m. and we will be in pre-New York. Pre-New York. Where the hell is on? Yeah, so actually we're in pre-New York right now. New York Open is at 7 a.m. Sorry. NYSE Open is at 8. I always forget the times. Oh. All right. All right, guys. So we are. It looks like on the 30-minute, we got this nice little bull run right here. Did you see the wicks? Wicks rejecting us right here. So let's see if if we can get a bearish candle, and then maybe we could have pushed down. Because I think the dollar is gonna open bullish, man. To be honest. You guys got any pairs you guys want me to look at? Any questions? This is the boring part where we wait. Oh, I want to check something out. You guys let me know if you guys can hear this. These sounds. Like my sound effects. Oh no. I just do. Whoops. I think I did something wrong. Yeah. Hopefully it's not. Can you guys hear that? That was kind of loud, to be honest. Oh, look, we got this little bearish candle coming in. We got the bearish candle. I like that because look, up here it is rejecting. There was kind of this level of support here, so I really want to see this break. If we can get a break here, you know, I like this range right here. Like this little range. Take our 15-20 pips. Nice little bag. Oh yeah, you guys can hear that? Hell yeah, that's awesome. I've been trying to get these damn sound effects to work like for a long time now.
Bruh.
Like I have a bunch of them.
Help me! Help me! Nigga!
Oh, that's a little too much, but alright. Anyways, yeah, so we got gold coming down. GJ's going up. That's funny because, see, why I like to look at this is, you guys know the statistic, right? like 90% of traders are losing traders. So think about that. If 90% of traders lose and 50% of these people are taking short, 90% of this 50% is wrong. You know? So if the majority is wrong and the majority is selling, that's why I would buy. Remember I said that down here and it's going up. That's kind of my reasoning behind that. Like, you know, don't do what everyone else is doing. Oh, I wanted to share with you guys, where's it at? Yesterday, dude, there was an article. Oh, here we go. Oh, not what I wanted to do. Oh, yeah, it's wrong. Look at this article about this guy. This guy from Houston in Texas. He was using social media to falsely promote himself as a successful trader of foreign exchange investments, Forex. This dude stole like $650,000 from people, from over 100 individuals. He used the investors' funds for his personal expenses, and he pleaded guilty to wire fraud. He faces a maximum penalty of 20 years in prison, dude. 20 years in prison. Like, the reason I'm sharing this article with you guys is I want to remind you guys, like, and this was Monday, August 23rd, right? Yesterday. Department of Justice, this is Justice GOV, like, it's a government website, like, I'm not pulling any bullshit up. The reason I'm sharing this with you guys is because, like, man, I cannot stress this enough, man. Like, there's people out there that are really, 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 really great marketers, and they know nothing about trading. And, you know, there's a lot of gullible people out there, man. I think that the problem is that, you know, some people, like, are desperate to make money, and because of that, they end up fucking themselves into believing anyone and everyone. And that's a problem. That's a problem because you get things like those people scamming. And, you know, maybe, you know, the people that are getting all the attention, some of them may be traders, may be real traders, may have like real, you know, wins and whatnot. I'm not saying everyone is like that, but what I'm saying is you got to be careful, man. Like, I get a lot of people reach out to me, and, you know, they put a lot of trust, like, way too easily. You know, like, I would question everything. You got people that, you know, are selling signals and courses that, like, bro, you know, some people go here to this babypips.com, click education, learn Forex, and this is free, okay? Some people go here and literally will copy each one of these fucking slides and outlines of Forex, and then package that in a better design with a logo and sell it to you for like $300-400. Like, if you're gonna fall for that, like, I'm sorry. Everything you need you can find online. The problem becomes like finding the right, correct info, putting it all together, which takes a little time. It's not really a problem. It's just figuring that part out. But I'll tell you this, like, once you figure out the basics, you really don't need more than that. What you need is just time to work at and build the skill, you know, like just practicing it, working at it. And if you're not improving, you gotta audit yourself, audit what you're doing, and look at, you know, how are you measuring your progress? Are you documenting your trades? Are you trading to your plan? Are you being consistent? How many pairs are you looking at? And how many other people are in your fucking ear? And what I mean by that is, how many people are you guys following? How many Telegram groups? How many Signal groups? How many VIP groups? How many courses are you buying? How many fucking guru, furu, fucking traders are you following? Like, everyone is gonna spin it their own way. And you're not going to be successful, consistent, and profitable until you can spin it for yourself. Like, trading, when you're doing trading, man, like, you guys hear me, like, I'm telling a story along the way, and that's reading price. But until you can tell that story yourself, for yourself, you know, you're going to be lost in the crowd. Like, and I really just say that, like, the whole article thing, I just bring it up because I don't want you guys to be getting scammed, man, and I don't want you guys to be. There's no fucking secret formula to this thing. There's no, like, you can fall into accidentally fucking make $1 million on accident, but that is not consistent. It's better to have a skill that you can build up and then be consistent with than have a fucking Hail Mary, you know? I'd rather have 1,000 chances than have one. And when you throw a Hail Mary, that's what you're giving yourself. You're giving yourself one shot, or you're gonna give yourself 1,000 shots. How many opportunities would you prefer to make this a success? One shot or 1,000? You know? It's a game of probability here. And it's far in between the ones that you're gonna get that is just one shot, you know. I wouldn't focus on that. I wouldn't position myself in a way where that is how I'm operating with the one shot mentality. It's not a Hail Mary, guys. You got plenty of fucking time, you know. Like, you gotta understand, whether you think about it or not, a year is gonna pass. 6 months will pass. 10 years will pass. You know, like, stop living in the YOLO mentality and start living in the, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna be doing in the next 5, 10, 15. Because just in case you don't die before 5, 10, 15, you gotta have shit planned out, mapped out for you. So if you're planning for 5, 10, 15, then do those little things now, where you're being consistent and building these skills up to be profitable, to be consistent. Because I see many of you guys want to be rich overnight, and you forget all the basics. You know, you spend 3 weeks trading Forex, and you're like, oh man, it's taking too long. I wanted to be a millionaire yesterday, and that's, if that's your mentality, like, I would quit trading. Don't do trading. Trading is not for you. Trading, you gotta understand, when you're playing in the financial markets is the only thing, the way I can explain this is, in the financial markets, it's the transfer of wealth from the impatient to the patient. So if you're impatient and you can't, if you're internalizing a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, 6 months as being a long time, and you don't feel like you're being successful, when you're increasing and progressing in incremental value and compounding from that, bro, trading is not for you. Any financial market is not for you. You should go, you know, do something else. Go fucking go blow up on TikTok with some fucking stupid videos and become viral, and maybe, you know, make money that way, or go, you know, work for somebody and have a guaranteed paycheck every 2 weeks and shit like that. That's more reasonable for people that are impatient, because the impatient will never end up on top. It's always the patient people. Like, you have to, and if you're not patient but you want it bad enough, you can teach yourself patience over and over and over. Like, you have to be consistent, you have to remind yourself, you have to, you know, you just do daily audits of how you do things. But anyways, I'm not trying to go on a rant. I'm just trying to help you guys out. I don't want you guys to get scammed. Don't be giving anybody fucking money to do something you can do for yourself. Most of these people, people believe in them because they're flexing all these flashy cars and cash and clothes and shit, and all that money they got it from stupid motherfuckers that are paying them for repackaged, remarketed content that's already out there. You know, don't be that guy. Hope you guys are not. Look at this. GJ's coming up. GJ may give us an opportunity here. New York's about to open. Got about 2 minutes, minute and a half. Yeah, man, this thing right here, I wish we had a better range. I don't really like this traffic here. It's a lot of consolidation though, to be honest. Yo, if you're just joining us, welcome. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. Live trade Forex, Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Central. If you're just joining us and you're new, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you're notified when I go live. We have two potential setups here, GJ and Gold. I sent the links in the chat to the charts, but if you're looking at my chart, go ahead, screenshot it, take a picture, write it down, do whatever you got to do. Pay attention to the bars and where they are relative to the lines here. Don't pay attention to the price and the values, because the prices are always going to vary depending on your broker. Okay? There's going to be a slight variance in the price. So just pay attention to the areas, right? And that's what you're gonna shoot for here. Yeah, second level 99, 100 pips, third 130. Ooh, sheesh. All right, we got about 3 seconds, 2 seconds here. We got New York open happening now. So we got a nice little bearish candle here. It is slightly engulfing, but kind of like a, I mean, it kind of reminds me of this one right here. Could just be getting some volume before it goes up, but let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's roll the dice. GJ, what are you doing, GJ? Okay. Looks like we're crossing up here. That would be a nice trade if you can get it. I'm just setting this up just so I can start looking at my risk management, right? Because if this candle closes above here, you know, I'm gonna get in. But remember, you cannot, don't get in prematurely, and at the same time, you're going to calculate these numbers a couple of times, because right now I'm guessing, like, if I do a 10 pip stop, right? 10 pip stop, the 3 risk reward, going for about 30 pips, risking 10 pips. But it all depends where this closes, right? And if it comes back down, just wicks and comes back down in here, I'm not getting in. So just letting you guys know so you're aware of what I'm looking at, how I'm trying to operate here. Gold's coming down. Come on down to Funky Town. Let's get it. Oh man, y'all, I went to Vegas a couple of weeks ago, and man, I was like, I won a couple games at first and I was feeling good, but then I fucking lost. But I don't really count it as a loss because I had a really good time. I got to see one of my homies I hadn't seen in a while, and it was for his birthday. And then I get there and like all these people that I know were like in town that like those same days. I didn't get to hang out with them or see them, but they were there. There's this video, this guy, 703. We are in New York Open right now. I don't know if you guys seen him, like he's like a hype man. Got 26 minutes on this candle. And remember, you know what's so important, guys, is being so patient. If I say I'm waiting on the close, we gotta wait on the close. Like, you cannot get like faked out prematurely, FOMO, jump in, chasing trades. Like, if this thing starts fucking flying right now, I'm not jumping in. I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'm waiting for the close. Waiting for the close. And yeah, we will miss some opportunities like that. But you have to be okay with that. You have to be okay with that, because I swear to God, if you're not, you're gonna lose a lot of money. A lot of money. Trust me. Everything I tell you guys is because I've lost money in that process. Like, I don't tell you guys just to shoot the shit. Like, I'm telling you rules and things I do. These are my lessons. These are my lessons I'm trying to give to you guys for free. And maybe you guys won't follow them until you have to pay those lessons for yourself. But they're lessons because I have lost money in it before. And then I make it a lesson. I'm like, I did this. I'm not gonna lose any more on that. So I'm making a lesson for it. But anyways, I was talking about this guy on TikTok, and he's like, where's that video? Let me see if I can. I wish I had an option to like share my phone, like phone content. I don't. Maybe if you guys can hear this kind of loud. See if you guys can see this. What the hell was that? It's because I don't think I can show you guys. My camera's over here and then my mic is over here. So let me just play the thing The guy's name on TikTok is Kevin Cooney with 2 Y's.
Dudes, more than along today. Ladies, love you, but keep scrolling. This one's for the guys. Guys, here's the deal. Do you put your money in a Roth or do you put it in an individual? Okay, now that the girls are gone for real. Good morning, you fucking spine, you. Every time I see you, you get bigger and bigger. I mean, what's the secret? My God, tell me everything. What are we doing at the gym today? Is it buys and tries? Are we hitting back, maybe? Maybe a little leg action? I mean, what are we working on? Send me the invite. I'm there, okay? Quick weather check just for you. Oh, it's bitchin' clouds. Literally minimal sun. Literally maximal. You gotta be a friend. Tell a friend. Would you Spartans throw it up? Oh, get down. It's how the best end of our lives out there, okay? A lot of pressure. Mid-20s, right? You're like, hey, parents are like, when's the baby? When's the marriage? You're like, when am I getting diarrhea next? You know what I mean? I mean, there's a lot of pressure out there. I advise you, give yourself some credit, okay? You're doing great out there. You're doing great, okay? Let's do one thing together, I to you, you to I. Could we? Let's get dangerously. N-I-T, dangerously. Calculated, love ya.
I just love that guy's energy in the morning, and if you're not doing something like that for yourself, guys, I'm telling you, like, it's a game changer. Like, I do this to myself every morning, like setting my intentions for the day, you know. Like, if you're not figuring out how to, you know, create these habits by setting small triggers for yourself, I think it's gonna be hard to do anything, really. I'm huge on self-improvement and progress, and like, I enjoy the act of doing small things that create bigger changes, and measuring that, to me, it's like awesome. Yo, so I wanted to ask you guys, what do you think about the new Discord? You guys like that? I updated a lot of things. I had been working on it for a while, and I just released it, so I'm excited about it. You know, I hope that you guys are too, and I hope I can deliver more and more value. But yeah, it's just some of the things that I've been working on. I have some other things I'm working on for you guys too. I'll let you guys know soon. But if you're not in my Discord, description in the link, or link is in the description. The link is in the description of my Discord. Discord is free, guys. Everything is free. I don't charge for anything, and I should probably put this disclaimer out that I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is just education and entertainment purposes. I'm just here showing you what I do. That's it. Man, this looks ugly here, like this whole consolidation. And then New York open, and there's like no movement, no volume, man. What the hell? Give me something. Give me something. This thing's falling. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. Could very well come all the way back down, but like this low, this low, this low, doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Or this could be you guys know what that is? Does that look familiar? Does that look like this? Maybe. Could be. Possibly. We'll see. Oh snap. It's on its way up. Being patient, being patient. And it's the end of August already. I didn't even get to trade that much this month. Bullshit. Oh shit. Thing is shooting up here. Maybe we're gonna go up. That GJ's falling a little bit. Ooh, thing is flying. Look at it. See, but here's the problem now. Is that this, this freaking candle's too big. 41 first target. Well, 1.5 is not bad, but damn, it's a very large candle. We got about 13 minutes, so yeah, 13 minutes could be worth it, but we want this to break above, close above. So we got about 12.5 minutes. This looks like it's going the other way now. No, I'm not in a trade. Not in a trade yet. Gold is beginning to break our price here. I'm waiting for the candle to close. 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Candle closes in 12 minutes, and we're gonna find out. We may be getting into a trade here. If gold closes above this line on the 30-minute, I'm gonna jump in because we have clean traffic all the way up here, and that may be the move. 7 a.m. What happened yesterday is 7 a.m. This was yesterday 7 a.m. and then 7:30. Boom, boom. Today 7 a.m. So the next one could be, could be just repeating itself from here. All right, if we do take these candles, that would be the replication of yesterday's same time. Potential move right there. See, I mean, this could very easily reject right here and then just fall. Well, the dollar index is down, so makes sense. But why? No strength for USD. More people are long now. Funny. Ooh, look at that. Pulling back. This thing pulls back into the zone. We're not trading it. Very methodical, guys. We got to be very methodical. I added a bot thing here that shares like news in the Discord. Interesting. Liking the new Discord, by the way. Appreciate it, man. Trying to just upgrade all around, you know. Look at this. You see, this is why we wait for candle closures. Fucking bullshit ass wick. Look at that. Bullshit ass wick. Wow. Wow. Come on, baby. Push down. And let's close down here because I like this move better. And this thing is... I was trying to set a pending order, but I'm not closing that out. Alright. Look at this. What a fake out. What a fake out. That's what I wanted to see. And you know what? I don't even want it to be this candle. I want it to be the next candle because this is a big ass fucking wick and shit. If this could just get us down here, and then the next candle could be the one that break and closes, be happy with that. Yeah, because as we get close to NYSE open, that's what we're looking at, guys. Look at this. It doesn't know what the hell to do. What's going on, man? There's something is out there. Fucking with this thing. It's just like really big wicks. That's why I'm kind of like there's got to be something. See, these are not open yet. The next like 30 minutes, hour. Yo, if you guys, some of you guys were asking me about a trading journal. Trixie.trade. Pretty good trading journal. You can actually save snippets from TradingView and still like go in there and look at it, like add notes. Yeah, you see you import straight from TradingView. Pretty cool. There's a price for this. $8.90 a month or $80 for the year. But like, you gotta understand, investing in yourself to better yourself is always, to me, worth it. You know. We're not in a trade yet, guys. If you're just joining, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks, and we are currently waiting on two setups here, one for gold and one for GJ. Whichever one executes, we will take. I sent the link to both of these charts in the chat for YouTube. Even this, there's like a small one right here, but there's a level here, there's a level here. Can't do it. There's this level here that it's establishing. Small range right there is too small. Here, there's this, but wicks, small range, wicks, not worth it. There's this one. This range, oh, what is this range? Here to here, 16 pips. About 20 pips. Actually, it's not bad, but it'll be tight. It'll be real tight. But we can keep an eye on it. See how we feel about it. Could just mean we move this up a little bit, and then we'll have one level, two level. You know. But I do like that I'm seeing some volume come in. Yes, that's a plus. 7:30. Oh, I think I got a meeting at 8:30. Yo, I'm also looking for a new assistant, a new admin, a personal assistant. So if anyone is interested or knows anyone interested, get in my way, man. I've been struggling, man. For the past month, I've been looking for a new assistant. And I already have two assistants, like two virtual assistants. But I need another one. Preferably one that is capable of traveling and going where I need them to go with me. We shall see. Still waiting here, guys. Still waiting. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. And I'm just gonna start looking at it. Oh. Oops. What's going on here? Probably like in a high time frame. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Look at this setup I had long time ago. 126 worked out. I didn't even trade it. Let's look at 30 minute. See, what I'm gonna do is leave these alone. Look at it, it's going back up now. Doesn't know what it wants. 7:30. Got about 30 minutes before. Is it? Yeah, NYSE open at 8. Look at it go. Look at it go. Look at it. Like, where's all that energy coming from? That makes sense. Now what I was gonna do is go here, do 4 hour more. These would be like swing trades if you're looking at this. I mean, we're headed down, right? Move past this. So it could be breaking market structure here, headed up now. You have this trend right here. But if that's the case, then I would probably wait for retest this area. But shit, look at this breaking here. Look at this clean ass traffic right here. This level. What's the risk here? Could have got in right here, right on the break. First stops below here, about a 39 pip. 1.5. It's not bad. First target, 3 for the second. This would be a good setup, right? Actually, I'm gonna send this shit out. Shit. Ride that momentum up. This is actually a really good setup. Sending this out. Goodbye for NZD Jappy. And how many pips risk was this? 43. Just say 45. Swing it up. Swing it up, swing it up, swing it up, because more than likely it's going to come up, probably hit this first level, come back down, retest. Holes, and we're going next level. Not like that. Like that. Go back over here. Still waiting. Things pushing up now. Pushing down. 7:37. We've got about 22 minutes left here till do you guys in the if I get a bullish engulfing that closes just below the entry level on gold, would you take an impulse buy? So you're talking about if I get a bullish engulfing on this candle for the 30-minute? If I get a bullish engulfing on this candle, would I take, say, impulse buy? No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't, because this wick right here fucked that up. If this was bullish engulfing covering at least these, like the majority of these, then I would. But the problem here is that we had this huge fake move, so I don't feel confident enough to say a bullish engulfing here can move up, because there's obviously something that pushed it down here, right? Like we have to see that the price can go as far up and as far down as it wants to, but when it stops, something stopped it. Something right here said, no, we're not going higher than here, go down, right? So an impulse buy for me, maybe if we had a bullish engulfing here and I had room for this wick right here, but I don't like the range really. Like, you know, right here we're talking about 19 pips, 20 pips, but that's, you know, if you catch at 17 pips, you got to take in consideration your spread, you got to take in consideration, you know, any slippage. Look, now it's at 15 pips. You know, I don't feel comfortable with it really, to be honest. Like, I want to take more higher probability trades than I want to take more risk, you know, because there's no sense. I'm not trying to, like, I understand if I want to take more risk, the probability is higher for me, but it doesn't make sense for me to do that if I can just be a little bit more patient and get a for sure thing above this price. Because above this price, breaking and closing, I know what I have over here. Like, I know that this is going to be a way better setup than that impulse buy. An impulse buy may catch you a move. See this? Above this, I know what I have here. An impulse buy is going to just help me catch something quickly right now that may be a lot smaller than to what's projected on my plan. And what it does to me psychologically is then starts making like variances in what I can and can't do. You know, in order to be consistent and profitable, you got to stick to what you say you're going to do. If I said I'm going to enter only when the candle closes above on the 30-minute, that's what I need to stick to. Yes, I can go down to 15 and 5 and find smaller moves and probably catch some of those, but that is a lot more stressful mentally than sticking to one way of doing things. And if we miss it, we miss it. That's what it is. Like, you could have caught that impulse buy here and filled this wick, you know, and I'm still here. I mean, that would have been nice right there. If you would have jumped in here when it opened, that's 30 pips, you know, 40 pips. You would have caught that. And that's great. But that's not what I'm trying to do, you know? I don't want to be stressed out trading. I want to trade as simple as possible and be able to repeat the process over and over. And in order to do so, I need to make sure I do it a certain way every single time. And look, now we're breaking. We got about 17 minutes left. Damn, it's running. Here we go with another fat ass wick. Watch. And this probably could have been a good impulse buy. You would have taken it, like, and that's great. Like, I'm not telling you guys not to do that. I'm just telling you guys I don't do that because I want to be, I want to trade a certain way every single time. I have no need to trade differently. Look, this thing is already going into profit. And I'm just measuring right now what my risk is going to be, see if it's worth it to me, because the first target is right here. It's already, you know, less than a 1-to-1. I wouldn't be taking this. Like, this candle's way too big, way too fucking big. Like, I need this to be down, you know, at least right here, if not lower. Like, because that's just too much, too much to cover, too much risk. Yeah, this thing is got 16 minutes. Just running. And I'm not gonna get into this. Look at the risk to reward. 0.84. Because we put it below the previous wick. So if the next candle opens up right here, previous wick is here. 56 pip risk to earn 47 pips? Nah. Not worth it. Not worth it. This could have just been pump up, consolidate, pump up. And this candle happening 7:30. Right before NYSE open. We got about 15 minutes here. So NYSE open. See what happens. Dollar index is down. What are the losers doing over here? Still shorting. This thing should be moving down now. Look, maybe we got an opportunity with GJ. Ooh, look at GJ. And maybe it should be the next candle because this one is 24 pip. At 1.19, not bad. Add it down to the neck to the support. This might be a nice setup. About a 24 pip risk. We got about 14 minutes left here. Yeah, gold is running away. Gold is running. Sometimes there's nothing you can do, guys. Look, pulling back. Gotta wait 14 minutes. 14 minutes. GJ looks like a better setup, though, to be honest. So we'll see. We'll see what we see. Alright, guys, I'm gonna be right back. All right, I'm back. What do we see? What do we see? Oh my goodness. DJ just melted. Jesus Christ. Look at this. That is no longer really worth it to me. The first target is 0.43. That's too much. Too much. Too much risk. Damn it, man. Both of you guys are gonna fucking do this to me. Are these people still buying? Oh no, 54 we're short. We were saying buy, right? Alright. A little bit more doable right here with the one. Damn, 50 pip risk. Heavy. Got about 8 minutes left here before NYSE open. This is too extreme. Like there's nothing we could have done about this. Unless this comes and closes above this area. But it's pretty much, I don't know. Testing. Maybe if it was like around here, it's at least a 1-to-1. Honestly, I really hope it pulls back and then the next candle is the candle, because this too big of a candle. Too big of a candle, and I'm not trying to take that much of a risk. Got about 30 minutes left on the live. So gotta be the next candle. We're not taking the trade live. Okay. Might be gold. Might take a buy on gold. Fuck it. Six minutes. This is a 1 right here. First target's right there. Second target is up here. So we got room to run. Dollar index is pushing down, so gold should be pushing up. Got 5 minutes, guys. See what happens. We might take a buy on gold. It's gonna be about 50 pip risk. Set up for us tonight. Nice. Pushing down a bit, I like that. 44 pip risk. Oh, don't go all the way under. 1.5, that's perfect. 40 pip risk, a little heavy, but I would take it. Take it. I'm not jumping in now. I'm saying I would take it on the close. 5 minutes, guys, on the close. I jump in on the close. Okay. Come on, baby. Give me a nice setup. Oh, GJ is looking nice too. God. So if these both set up at the same time, might want to take GJ. Smaller risk. But this one is like inching at the. Got about 4.5 minutes. This is why we wait for candles to close. 4.5 minutes, guys. 4.5 minutes. 4.5 minutes. So we get on for 3 hours for 5 minutes worth of excitement. Moving out of range now. Got about 3.5 minutes, guys. If you're just joining us, we are not in an active trade. We are about to get this set up here in the next 3 minutes, it looks like, for gold or GJ. If you're just now joining us, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. Central to 8:30 a.m. Central. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, and if you've gotten any value out of this, please hit the like button. This helps me gain some exposure and help others like you also gain some value out of this. All right, guys. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes, your lives could all change. But seriously, that's how I like to look at things. Blessed with the opportunity of another day, and huge decision to make it a memorable one. Do the things today that you're going to be grateful for in the next 5, 10, 15 years. Small actions create big habits. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds, guys. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. If both of these execute, I might take gold because it's a better setup. Yeah, 0.94. GJ is a smaller risk, but gold is a better setup. Oh. Because of the risk to reward. About 40 pip risk. Oh, more now. 45, but still 1.3. Got a minute and 50 seconds left, guys. Gonna make some decisions here in a sec. We're gonna make some decisions. Let's see. Calculate your risk. Be ready. So here we're looking at about what, 30 pip risk. Okay. Hold that. $45 pip risk. Okay. And remember, if this closes down below or even like right on the line, I'm not getting in. It needs to be broken above, closing above. Because I ain't gonna let it fly otherwise. More now. Oops. We got about 10 seconds left here, guys. We got GJ as an option, and we got gold as an option. Oof. 45 pip risk on gold. All right. And they're both hitting. GJ's moving back up. Gold is moving down. I'm going to go ahead and take gold. I'm going to take a buy on gold. Okay. And my price was 1807.95. Of course, it's going to push down. Oh fuck. Is that on the wrong one? Oh no. Oh no. The GJ, well, if you got in at the close, 30 pip risk, 0.74 for the first one. No, not the first target, but if we're looking at the third level here, even if we're coming down here to test the support, it becomes worth it. But that's a kind of a big risk. You're risking 30 pips there. So you guys can take either one if you want. Executed on gold here, and remember, we're just looking for 10-15 pips. There's 15 pips right here. Just a quick trade, guys. Quick trade. Get us a nice little win here. And if you did the GJ 150. Ooh, 15 pips for that. Okay, both are in profit right now. Both are in profit. About 3-4 pips each. So at this point right here, what you want to do is close. Close 80%. Just stop loss to break even. Okay. Ooh, we're about to hit it too. We're about to hit it too. Both of them are in profit. Gold's about to hit. Gold's about to hit. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on now. 12 pips. 12.5. Got it. There we go. Come on. Come on. 2 more pips. 2 more pips, baby. 1 more pip. 1 more pip. Come on now. Come on now. Let's go, baby. This thing like wicked it right there and it's pushing down now. What a punk. Man, is that touching or not? What is that? 465, 469 by 0.04 of a pip, like half a pip. Come on now, you got this gold. Come on, baby. Coming down. Why are you doing this? Hit that TP, baby. Hit that TP. Come on now. He's pulling back up. Gold is almost there. I have alerts for both of these, right? Yeah. Come on, gold. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Playing with this, guys. Playing with this. Come on now. Want to break even on gold. Break even on GJ. We got 20 minutes in the candle though. Gotta be patient. If you're just joining us, we are in an active trade. GJ and gold executed here. Just being patient. Gold almost hit our level here. We're closing 80%. I mean, it was off by half a pip. So half a fucking pip. We should have closed. Like when it got to the half a pip, we should have closed the 80%. Like we shouldn't be waiting for this to come back to get more. That's just being greedy. But I was more concerned with trying to hit the damn sound effect button that I didn't. I was waiting for the alert to come up and I let it come back down. So that's all me, but it's all good. I was pushing down. What are you gonna do, gold? Just go up. Stop playing with people's emotions. What does Chinese indicator say? USD down, AUD up, JPY up. What are the losers doing? The losers are right this time. Short. Took a short. Took a short. Took a short. Come on now. Push up. Push up. Don't play with me. Hopefully you guys were able to get in here, and maybe some of you guys were able to close to 80% right here at that top level. But if you didn't, like me, you're like in a pip profit, 2 pips profit. Couple of pips. GJ is in about 8 pips profit. Not bad. Halfway there. Same thing down here. Whenever this hits, you close 80%, adjust stop loss to break even. Because remember, we're just going for 15-20 pips. That's the 15 pip mark. Not get greedy. This is just a quick in and out trade. This is what day trading, scalping looks like. This is not swing setups. Swing setups are, you know, throughout the day, all day, a week. It could be multiple days. Like, come on, baby. Come on. I actually took both these, gold and GJ. Just like both of the setups. Yeah, I'll play. Come on, gold is so close. Come on. So close. So close. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go, baby. Ooh, looking good, looking good. Yo, if you're just joining us, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. We are currently in an active trade here with gold and GJ. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I go live. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. Central to 8:30 a.m. Central. We've got about 15 minutes left here on the clock for the live session. We are in an active trade, close to hitting our level here for 15 pips. Be able to close out 80% of the trade and adjust the stop loss to break even. What? So it begins. Come on, baby. 6 pips. Pulling back. Oof. Was almost there. About 11 pips. 11, 12 pips. Oh, here we go. Come on. Come on. You got it. You got it. Come on, baby. You got it. Let's get it, baby. Come on. You got it. Just push up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Come on. I know you want to. I know you want to. Come on. Do it for daddy. Do it for daddy. Come on. Just a little bit. Sometimes you gotta sweet talk him. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta let him know how you feel. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's get it. Oh, there you go. There you go. That's what I like to see. A little bit more. 13. 2 more pips. Give me 2 more pips, baby. 2 more pips. Come on, please. Please. Come on now.
Let's get her.
Not the one. I was trying. I thought it was gonna say, please. Ah, it's almost there. Yes, come on. Come on now.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
I got like a whole bunch of these. This is me right now, waiting for this thing to hit take profit. Adolfo Ramirez, what's good, brother? I finally changed shifts at work. I'll be here a lot more. Thanks, Lord Banks. Let's get it, bro. Me too. I'm gonna be here a lot more too. Come on, fucking gold. It's like, just doesn't want to give me those 15, bro. Like, what's wrong with you? Gold got me like this right now.
Got him! Got him!
That's gold most of the time. Fucking faking everybody out. You know? Fucking gold. DJ pulling up. Come on now. Come on now. Why y'all be doing that shit? Why y'all be doing it like that? Man. Might just take these 10 pips and fucking say fuck it. I'm trying to take an L here. I'm trying to take an L, baby. We need this. We need this bag. I'm trying to feed the people, you know? Oh, come on now. What are you doing? What is you doing? DJ fucking up. Roll pulling back. Come on now. What time is it? It's 8:19. About 10 minutes left. I want to see y'all skyrocket. Boom. And GJ melt. Boom. Might be the next candle, to be honest. To be quite honest, might be the next candle. There's news coming out at 10, but it looks to me it wants to take off and go up. What news? Oh, new home sales? But yeah, but this isn't a red folder. Previous was 676, forecast is 698. So an actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So if we get a number that's higher, the actual here, than the forecast, that's good for the US dollar. That means it pumps down gold. Right? But it shows yeah, the home sales, I just saw it. But usually I only pay attention to the red or orange folders with this. But new home sales could affect it for sure. See what happens. And should have took those 10 pips. That's like the internal battle, like at all times, like in a trader's mind, is like, fuck, I should have just took the little profit. You gotta know like when and like how, you know, but like that's why I go for these 15 pips and try to find houses for 2 clients, very few available, but ones Oh yeah, I know, it's crazy. I have a lot of real estate friends, and I've heard the same things. Well, now we're in drawdown on both. Wow. This should have been a win right here already. If this closes this 30-minute below this, back in this range, I'm closing it out. I don't care what my, if I'm obviously I'm gonna be in drawdown, but I'm not holding this in this range or coming back over here. Like, we're not going down. If that's, I'm cutting my losses, just so you guys know. Same thing for this one. If this goes back up in here, I'm cutting my losses. And we could have very well, I mean, this was 10 pips easily taken. Could have taken that. This was fucking 13, 14 pips by half a fucking pip. We didn't hit that. We should have been playing around, messing around. Should have hit that 80%. It would have already closed us out at break even. I would have caught a bag, have a little close break even, and would have been fine. But what happens? This, man, bullshit. And I gotta jump off here in 7 fucking minutes. Got a meeting. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. That's why we calculate this risk, right? Like, I'm okay at moving in here. I'm not okay at closing up over here. Because it could just be doing a break and a retest. Do you think, playboy? Sitting here being patient. Being patient. I wonder how NZD shape 5 going back up. Like that. Like that. Show. That was a trade, a swing setup I sent out in the Discord. If you're not in my Discord, check out the description. The link is there. Free Discord. Nice community. Just updated the whole server. Looking real nice. Nice and organized. Got a lot of info in there. Oh. Oh, now. Pull back up, baby. Pull back up. There we go. There we go, baby. Come on now. You know you want to go up. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Got about 4 minutes left on this 30-minute candle. Still hasn't the reports. Should be updating yesterday. NYSE already open. Probably gonna be in the next 4 minutes. All right, back into positive. About 5 pips in profit. This one, what are you doing, G? Dripping. Gold is moving in our direction, which is a good thing. We got about 3 minutes left here. As soon as I say that, put it down. Got about 3 minutes left. Ugh. Man, I'm a little tired. If you're just joining us, we are in active trades here for GJ at Gold. Sent those setups earlier. If you were with us, you saw them, you took them, you're in with us. Currently in profits for Gold and currently in drawdown for GJ. Like I said, if this candle closes back up in this range, I'm cutting my losses. Okay, I don't care if it goes and tests up there because it could just be retesting. But if it closes up in there, I'm closing out. But I'm cutting my losses. That's part of the game. Because instead of, you know, letting the whole risk go, you know, I'm cutting it short. Cutting it short. Be scared to cut it short. Saving yourself some money. And go be playing. I swear that this 15 pips, man. Those 15 pips were there by half a pip, man. See that high? The high was 1809.465, and the take profit I had was 469. We're talking about by half a pip. I should have took the profit there, 80%. Finally pulling back down. We got 1 minute left here. 1 minute left. 30 minute. 1 minute left on the 30-minute candle. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it, Gold. Don't do it. Tripping. You're tripping. Tripping, Gold. Go back up. Tripping. 40 seconds. Don't do it. Oh, what are you doing? 30 seconds. DJ's still good. Gold, don't you do it. 20 seconds. Pull back up. 20 seconds. Got 10 seconds here. Okay. So I'm okay with this because this is a new candle. This candle didn't close down here. This candle is pulling down in here, but you know, I'm okay with creating the bottom wick before it goes up. So, oh, but GJ closed above. Just barely though. Fuck. Is that, what price is that? What is the high? 150, 275, 5275. The same 270. I'm gonna let this one go because, like, I'm gonna stay in it just because of this no wick at the top. No wick at the top, and the same price was the same price here and same price here, same price here. So I'm hoping that this is just the wick at the top on the higher time frame before it continues down. What I'm seeing, and I could be wrong. We could hit stop on bullshit. Okay, stop me out. Take me out. Take me out the game. We'll see. Fuck, it's already 8:30, man. I gotta jump off. Fuck. I gotta do this meeting. Oh, I gotta take my dog to the today. Well. Damn. I looked down for a second. You see GJ? Holy cow. What is gold doing? Oh my god. Yeah, we about to get stopped out. Damn it, son. Should have took those damn fucking 15 pips there. And you know, I think this is mainly because these boards probably come out now. Yeah. 30. Dow Jones is up. E500 not yet. NASDAQ is up. So NASDAQ and the Dow Jones is out. And about to hit stop. About to hit stop. About to take a fucking L. What a bitch. What are you gonna do? Just stop me out if you're gonna stop me out. Do it.
Do it! Do it! Come on! Kill me! I'm here! Come on! Do it now!
Stop me out, baby. Fuck it. Live for this shit. Oh, there goes gold. Stopped out. All right, I'm out on gold. Fucking took an L on gold. Where's GJ? Go ahead, stop me out too, bitch. Fuck it. Ah, dang. What a shitty ass day. It's like it wants to, it doesn't want to. What are you gonna do, man? What are you gonna do? Just do it. Fucking do it, man. Cause I ain't got the time. I need to jump off already. I'm already 5 minutes late. Should have took those 10 pips we had. 10, 15 pips. This hit like 12, 13. What are you gonna do, GJ? Pulling all the way back. Fucking hate this shit. Look at it. Look at gold. I bet you gold is pulling back. Just came and grabbed all the liquidity from this because this was the low. So people usually put their stops below here and went right below that. Grabbed all that and now it's saying goodbye. Damn it, son. Damn it. Alright, where are we at here? GJ. And I'm gonna make this at an even number. Must 150, 50, 150, 500. We can stay. Fuck it, man. The 2 fucking losses. That was 44, 45 pips on that. I'm like 33. But yo, you like, this is why risk management is important, because of these fucking little stupid moves. You know, you go full Lambo lots. You have a little move like this, and this went into profit. Turned around. Both of them went into profit. Both of these went into profit. Look at gold pulling back. God, I hate you, gold. I hate you, gold. Moving my stop here. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump off. Put your stops right here, above 150, 500. You know, you don't want to get caught up, you know, like in losing trades, and you know what I'm saying. Like letting this drag on further. Don't let it go higher than this. Put your stops there. We're still in for GJ. We took an L here for gold. It looks like it's pulling back up. And this could have easily just been because of that news that was supposed to come out here. For see what happened. Oh no, it's 20 minutes still. Still 20 minutes for that, but you know, either way, I think that also like this, the indices coming out, showing positive gains there, giving some strength to the US dollar, to the dollar index, which is causing the the gold to move down a bit. But like I said, I mean, took a small loss on gold. We're still in it for GJ. Put your stops above here. Risk no more than that. And I'll be on tomorrow, but I'm already 10 minutes late for a meeting, so I got to jump off. I apologize, but we will be back tomorrow. I'll be in the Discord updating for anything that's going on. Other than that, guys, I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.